Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your TikTok QR code and how to scan other QR codes on TikTok. So first of all, to do this you have to go to your profile and here go to settings, which is in the top right corner. Settings, and here at the account section, as you can see, this is the account section. Here you will see the QR code is the one before the last one. So if you tap on it, it will show this page with your TikTok QR code. You can actually change the background of it if you want. And now you can download this as an image, or you can send it to any of your friends or anybody. Actually, you can put it on your Instagram stories or anywhere. If you use one of these share to options, it will take you right to that application and you will share it there, or you can also download it and then it will download it to your phone as a picture and you can share it or even print it and put it outside the wall. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can do it. And if you want to scan a QR code, if you saw someone putting up a printed QR code on the wall, you can scan it by tapping on this icon in the top right corner. If you tap on it, it will switch to a scanner. And if you scan a QR code like this, not my hand, but a QR code, then it will show that profile, that TikTok page that it belongs to. Or if you have a QR code picture downloaded on your phone, you can also go here and tap on the album menu. Then it will bring up your photo album and you can upload the QR code picture and use that to find the TikTok profile that you are looking for. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.